item. I got all epics. So now let's get all rare. That's all I have to get. I never knew this was like. Okay. Bye, Bello. Oh, so I nearly finished this one as well, but the common one I'm nowhere near finishing. So I know that you got all the legendary and got all the epics. Yeah, these are the two epic legendaries I meant. It's Atom and King Kong. Wait, I'll show you how this is. Atom is OP. Trust me, you wanna get him. Oh, by the way, in my next video, I'll show you how to hack this game and get infinity coins. And if you do, guys, do want to watch any more of this video, please like and at least get 5 likes for today. If you get higher than that, 100% I'll make another video. But for now, this is how to do. So I'll just open rare then. That's the only thing I can just do. So cheap rare. Whoa, to get our first one. Noisy boy, why not? Okay, next one. Okay, Midas. I can't pronounce this one. Hefty or something. Oh yeah, guys. If you do enjoy this video, 100% guaranteed, I'll give a giveaway. An iPhone. No, it ain't iPhone. What was it? Oh yeah. What was what is it? Yeah, a giveaway of Atom. I'll get a giveaway of my Atom, and I how to you. But it'll be like really hard, and I'm giving away another thing. What was it? Oh yeah, it's my PS4 with the Grand Theft Auto 5. That's what it was. Yeah, guys, and I hope you do enjoy this episode. Well, you see, I'm not such a good YouTuber or something like that. What should we do? If I play, I'll play for infinity. The high score, so you say high score there. Open another rare crate. What? You want all the rare crate with refeed? Are you kidding me? I got all legendary, all epic, all rare. I'm gonna go change. I'm gonna go to legendary. In at school fee. You're kidding me. Like 50,000. Atom. What are those green stuff? Who cares? See, look, Hong Kong, look, King Kong. Oh, we're saying Hong Kong. What's wrong with me? All my hero scores is 3,299. So you guys, for to end this episode, I'm gonna end it with our wish I could end it with create what it says. We'll refill your stash shortly afterwards. So, to end this episode, I don't know what to do. I think so, not really that good thinking stuff. Ah, yeah. What was it? No, I forgot again. Oh, yeah. If I can do it, the next episode might be the quest. First time doing quest. And what is it? And I'm gonna look at the leaderboard. Is this the leaderboard something? It's leaderboard, no leaderboard. Some leaderboard comes up. Where is it? Sorry, but I have to connect it. Okay. Okay. Come on. Okay, now I'm gonna end the episode. Ready, steady, and I'll just go here.